Hey guys, it's me Leo, back again with another video. So in this video I just wanted to go over 3 of my cheap drone accessories that I've bought with my drone. So the first accessory is this mount here. This little mount here is about £5, allows you to use your iPad as like a viewfinder for your controller. This one fits an iPad mini. I think you need a slightly larger one if you wanted to use a full-size iPad, but I'll add a link in the description to where I bought this from, so you can buy it if you want it. Very useful having a larger screen when you use the drone. It's a lot nicer to see what you're trying to take a photo or video of. The second accessory that I would kind of recommend getting with a drone is like a carrying box. I was fortunate enough to get this with my drone, but it's actually been more useful than I thought it would be at the start, because it's kind of encouraged me to take it places I wouldn't usually take it. Like I've taken it on a boat where there was like seawater kind of spraying everywhere, because it's waterproof. This is called Voltec box. I think I looked and these are about £50–60, something like this. But I would recommend it as it's quite good. As you can see, it's got compartments for everything. You might need spare batteries, spare blades, the drone and the controller. So yeah, it's pretty decent. My final accessory that I use, I made a video about yesterday. It's the ND filter, Sunny Life ND filter. So what this allows your drone to do is, in very kind of sunlit environments, you get slightly smoother looking footage. So without this, I'd probably be using a shutter speed of like 1/300th of a second, and I can do like 1/60th of a second with this on in daylight. So I'd recommend, I think it's about £15. Forgot to mention, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, drop a like rating, and ask any questions in the comment section if you have any questions. And I'll be back with another video shortly.